A longing for experience, possibilities. Who needs exploration in lands far, far away? To look up at heavens expanding from another place. To breathe air cleaner than Aotearoa. Rivers bustle, meandering softly to ocean life. Patient forests grow strong. We reach out to one another. We've been helping New Zealand adventure since the 50s. Our master crafters are homegrown, inspiring generations of freedom to far away but close places, to a land already in our hearts, a homecoming that's already begun. Trust people here and rebuild together.